Hello all and happy Friday, it's Sharon, and in today's video I just have some fun educational summer activities I want to share with you all. And I know not everybody has these items, so I'll kind of give you an option of how you can make some of your own and have some fun over the summer doing some educational games. So this one I believe, I'll put up on the screen because I'm not too sure, but I believe this game came from Learning Resources. It's this sight word SWOT game. So basically what it is these bugs that have words on them, and then there's different fly swatters, and then you call out a word and then the child can swat it with their fly swatter. So this is really easy to remake. All you have to do is just get some cardboard or cardstock, write out some words that you're working on at the moment, and then just pick up a fly swatter from a dollar store and then call out the words and have the child whack it with their swatter once they locate the word. So we're currently working on these blue words. They are double-sided when you buy the game, but yeah, I just pulled out some words that I'm working on with Nate. And we're not really doing homeschool in the summer, but I like to have, some educational games. So this time we're kind of talking about bugs and insects, like camping stuff and pond and beach life. So I picked up this on Amazon. This is the Professor Noggins Insects and Spiders, and this just has facts, and then it has a really nice image of the insect, and then you can ask questions to the child and see if they know the answers. So I like games like this. But you don't need to buy this game. You could also just go to the library and pick up some books regarding insects and then come up with your own questions and facts and then ask children questions. Also, I will show you the some of the images. They're really nice images on these cards. So you could also pull out some of these cards and do a art activity where children look at the card and then draw their own version of the insect. So yeah, the images on these cards are really nice. Now again, you don't need these cards. You can just pick up a book at the library and then have children draw the pictures. But I also like, you can look up the ants and then find out, do a research project about them and learn what they eat and where they live. And so you can talk about different insects, learn about bees and how they make the honey and stuff like that. So yeah, you could do a lot of information regarding bugs with this game, or you could, like I said, pick up library books and children can learn a lot of interesting facts. So yeah, those are the ideas I had with these two games. Now both these games and activities can be purchased on Amazon. And I just thought I'd come on here and share my ideas with you on how you can make your own versions or do different activities. So I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will talk to you sometime next week.
Take care and bye for now.